Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to design a quick clip or a hair clip. So all you need is your glue gun, your clip and bead. So apply the glue on the clip like you are seeing in the video, and then attach the bead to it. So you are going to continue doing this. You apply the glue like you're seeing in the video. You apply the glue and then you attach the bead to it. So we are going to be doing it till the whole side is covered. Remember to apply the glue bit by bit. Avoid getting the glue to dry very fast. That way you can attach your beads to it nice and easy. This is a very simple DIY tutorial. So now that we are done with the front part, we would like to turn to the other side of it and then attach our piece to it just like we did the front part. As you can see in this video, we are done. We are done attaching all the beads to it. So you can use any beads of your choice. All you need is your glue gun, the beads of your choice, and a grip clip or a hair clip. Anyone you choose, it's up to you. A nice bead will make your clips look very nice. To complete the look, clean any excess glue hanging around. Take all of them out to make your beads look very nice and to make your clips look very stylish. So now you are done. If you like the video, please follow, subscribe for more. Thank you for watching this video.